Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bookmap to Tradovate. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up Bookmap. Now once you open it, we want to go ahead and click on the Connections tab at the top of the page. Then from here, click on the Configure. And then you're going to have a connectivity configuration box appearing like so. So from here, we need to go ahead and click on Add Connection. Then on the top right, it's going to say platform. We want to go ahead and change Bookmap data to Tradovate. So it's by alphabetical order. So scroll down. Here it is here at the bottom. So click on the Tradovate. Now this is going to go ahead and download the plugin. So just give that a few moments to download and install. Then from here, it's going to say configure your Tradovate connection. So we can log in via OAuth, test and demo account. But you will be redirected to Tradovate to complete this authentication. For setup instruction, you can click there if you like. So keep scrolling down. We can change the aggregation if we like, and also short-term connection loss. Ignore configuration panel. You can go ahead and check that, uncheck it, then click OK. Then from here, we need to go ahead and click on connections, and then go ahead and check Tradovate. And now it's going to open up a new web page to go to Tradovate where we want to go ahead and sign into our account. So I'm going to connect it up with my Google account. If you haven't connected via Google, just put in your email password or however you've signed in previously. Now it's going to say after that you successfully logged into Tradovate. You can close this page now. Come back to here. Now for some reason I've got a login fail, but that's okay because I've only got a free demo account for that. It should work on most accounts.